We are pleased to show you the 2022 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, front-wheel drive, trip computer, electronic stability control, clock, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, day-night rear view mirror. Come take a test drive today.